Today's video tutorial, we are going to go over how you manage, how you work with your Google email address. We have a video on how to create a Google email address. If you'd like to watch that to get caught up to speed, you can go ahead and find that in our video section. Today we're going to talk about how to manage your Gmail account. So I'm here, just logged into Gmail. Okay. Now you can see that I have a couple emails here. Now the first emails that you're going to get are going to be these 3 emails from Google. Okay, they're going to be telling you how you can take advantage of your Google Gmail. So it's going to be like you can see in the subject here, how to change the way it looks using different colors, so it's not just this plain white and blue. Or also even how you can get your Gmail on a mobile phone, or if you have a different email address, how you can import those contacts from your old email address. You can also see that along with this social media encyclopedia email that we set up, we also set up a YouTube channel. Now that email is being sent to this Google email address that we set up, and you can see that I have an email from YouTube saying not only welcome to YouTube, but also congratulations, you uploaded your first video. And that was our last video tutorial that we just did about how to create a Google email address. So I'm going to show you how it looks like when you are working with your Google email. For example, these are all new emails. I have not read them yet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this first one here. If you want to read it, you can click anywhere on this line and it will bring up that email. And you can see here's my message that's been brought up. This is saying from Gmail. Look, here's some examples of different ways that you can change the color scheme of your Gmail account. Now let's say that if I want to do that, I can go ahead and click Customize Gmail and it will take me to the web page where we can do that. But let's say that I'm not really interested in this. Maybe I'll come back to it later. This back arrow right here takes you back to your inbox. You can see if I hover over it, the back to inbox will appear right next to it. Okay. If you forget that, you can also just go ahead and click back on your inbox here. Okay. Now, the number next to your inbox over here is how many unread messages you have. Okay, so since I had 5, but I just read that first email, so now it's down to 4. If I want to read the second one, I can go ahead and click on that. Now it's telling me this is how you can get your email set up on your phone. Click on this link here and it will take you to those instructions. Well, let's say once again I'm not really interested in doing that now. In fact, let's say I'm not interested in doing that ever. I can go ahead and I can delete this email by clicking right here, the delete button. Now, this isn't a very permanent thing, so you don't have to worry about accidentally deleting things. But I'm going to go ahead and delete this. Now, you can see that this has that email was taken out of my inbox. Now, if I go over here to the left-hand side, you can see here's different categories. And down here it says 6 more. If I click that button, you can see that one of these says trash. Okay? If I click on my trash can, so your trash can loads up when you click on the trash can button, and you can see that here's that message that I just deleted, get Gmail on your mobile phone. Now you don't have to worry about cleaning out your trash can. There's no limit on that. So once you delete it, as far as you're concerned, it is deleted. But for your own peace of mind, if there are messages that you'd like to go back on, you can see it says right now that messages that have been in the trash for more than 30 days will be automatically deleted. So those messages are going to stay in your trash can for 30 days and then they'll just be automatically deleted. And at that point they are gone forever. But let's go ahead and go back to our inbox by clicking on the inbox here. Okay. Now let's say that I wanted to send an email to someone. Okay, I would go ahead and click Compose Mail on the left hand side over here, and this is where I would type in the person's email address. For example, let's say I wanted to send an email address to bob@gmail.com. This is where you would write bob@gmail.com. Okay, now if you wanted to send this email to not only Bob but also Fred, then you would just do comma space Fred@gmail.com. Now these aren't actual email addresses, I'm just giving you an example. let's say that I wanted to wish them a happy holidays, and the subject line is where you would put that subject, happy holidays. Okay, and then you would come down here, click in this box, and you see my cursor's down here now, and I can say to them, hey guys, I hope you are having a great holiday season. From Mark. Okay, now I have this email written. If I wanted to send this, I would then go ahead and just click the send button down here on the bottom, and it would send it to them. Now let's say that I wanted to add more of a message to them, but I had to run and pick someone up from the grocery store. I needed to finish this email later. What I can do is go ahead and click the Save Now button, and it's going to save a copy of this in my drafts. You can see on the left-hand side, you can access your drafts over here. Let's say that I decide, actually, I'll just tell Bob and Fred tomorrow at work that I want to wish them happy holidays. I don't want to send them an email. You can go ahead and click the discard button right here, and it's going to delete that draft, and it's going to let you just get rid of this email. So let's go ahead and try that. Let's hit discard. You can see that your message has been discarded, and if you want, you're like, oh no, I didn't mean to do that. You can hit undo, okay? It automatically brought me back to my inbox after I discarded that, and I'm back here where you see I have over here on the left hand side 3 indicating 3 new messages. I have 4 total, and if you want to, let's say that you just want to go ahead and delete all of these. You're like, I don't need to worry about these YouTube messages, or I don't need to worry about these Gmail messages. Whatever emails you want to delete all at once, you can just click the checkbox for them on the left hand side here, and then go ahead and hit delete, and it's going to delete those all at once. Okay, this button right here is a shortcut to just checking all of them at once. You can see, the ones I've read, the ones I haven't read, etc. If you guys have any questions about these this process or any other parts of the Gmail account, go ahead and write a comment, or go ahead and send me a message here on the YouTube page. And once again, thanks for watching.